Ta-da! Loving it.
So I'm going to be installing this new shifter boot, and then also the inner boot here on the 944, taking the old one off, which is really beat up. I mean, the outside of the car is amazing, but as you can see, this is chewed. And I love it. It's so Canadian. Hockey tape. Oh yeah. Anyways, it's gonna look pretty sweet when I'm done with it. Stay tuned. All right, so the outer shifter is on, at least ready to be put on. Now I have my leather inner boot from only944.com. And apparently these things are way better. I mean, my stock one was just shot. It was original plastic. This is leather, which is way better. Fireproof. Hopefully I never need to test that, but also reduces emissions going into the cabin, which in older cars that can happen. So yeah, excited to put that on.
Yeah, here we are. So another project I'll do later, maybe a birthday present from somebody or something, is get a short shifter kit from only944.com, because their kits are amazing. I've watched a lot of other 944 owners, some of them pretty influential, using their short shift kits, and it eliminates this play. So that's probably going to be another video. So yeah, let's get this puppy on. So I spent about 5 minutes getting it fit, but it fits beautifully. Like, it just wraps right around, as you can see, and when you shift or whatever, it's beautiful. Good stuff. There's the test. That big shift. It's gonna be a lot shorter when I swap it out, but swap out the shifter kit. Beautiful. Ta-da! Loving it.